The thing is such now that because of competition, Kumu hula have to compete and create and get recognized. And when they get recognition, more competitions, more money. So they make their livelihood that way. But what happens to the essence of hula? The fundamentals of hula. Like my husband hates competition, so I stopped competition very early on in the years that I've been 26 years now. And so we just do ho'ike. We share the love of hula. My women are professionals and very talented in every way, but they love to perpetuate this culture. And I'm so gifted and thankful that I can share that knowledge. I'm motivated every day to get up and exercise because I got to keep my body kind of agile so I can still do hula. I can teach, and hula keeps my mind alert because I have to think up different compositions, choreography, and learn more about my history here in Hawaii. Hula has been enveloped by everybody all over the world, and not everybody has the foundation, the essence of hula that is so important in its technique. That's why I wanted to share kahiko. I wanted to share hula how it was. But it's important because we're here in Hawaii. We are the piko of hula. And there's nowhere else in the world that you can share hula in the same way, in the same breath, because of what we're surrounded by and our people. This is our home.